Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So, today's video, I'm going to be comparing two very highly rated home waxing kits on Amazon. So, y'all stay tuned if y'all want to find out what that's all about. So y'all know before any of my skincare videos, I have to give y'all a little warning out here just so y'all can be safe. Even though I'm a licensed esthetician, we all have different skin out here. We all have different reactions to things. So y'all be careful before you try anything that you see on the internet. We all have different lifestyles. So talk to a doctor or a dermatologist if you are on any medications, if you are pregnant, anything like that, because our lifestyles really affect how we react to things and how our skin and our body react to things. So please be careful, especially dealing with waxing. It can go very wrong very fast. The stuff gets really hot and you don't want to hurt yourself. So please be careful before you try anything that you see on the internet, and let's get into this video. So I am super excited about this video because if y'all have been watching my channel for a while now, y'all know that I love my Tress Wellness waxing kit. But before I found Tress Wellness, I was a GiGi girl. All through beauty school, we used the GiGi warmers, the GiGi products, and all that stuff. But even after all this time, I still haven't tried the GiGi hard wax. So I am super excited to see how the GiGi Brazilian waxing kit compares to the Tress Wellness complete home waxing kit. I am so excited. So let's get into this video. Since my previous video about the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit, I have used all of my wax beads up. So Tress was kind enough to send me over their hard wax beans kit, so I'm going to be going over everything that comes with. So first things first, you're going to get your spray tops that go on top of your pre-wax and after-wax spray. And next you're going to get your pre-wax spray, and that is a full new bottle, the same that came with my kit. It's a 3.4 ounce bottle. And then you're going to get your after wax spray, which is awesome. I love this stuff. It really removes the wax and it smells like coconut. Next, you're going to get 10 sticks for your eyebrow area. They are a little bit smaller. And then you're going to get 20 of the larger regular size sticks for the larger areas. And now we move on to the fun part. The first one is the eucalyptus hard wax. I love this one. This is my favorite scent out of all of the wax beads. Next, you're going to get your lemon scented hard wax beads. And you're actually going to get 2 of the lavender scented beads, and these are all full-size bags, 3.5 ounces. And next you're going to get your peppermint scented beads. And lastly, you're going to get your tea tree scented beads, which are my second favorite scent of the group. And they also include a quick beginner guide to waxing in case you have any questions. I'm also going to go over a quick review of the things that come in the complete waxing kit, at least the things that I haven't used up already because they're a little bit different. If you want a complete review, watch my Tress Wellness video. I'll have that linked above and below for you guys. So out of the kit, I still have a lot of my pre-wax spray, and as much as I use this kit, it's shocking that I still have so much. I also have a lot of the after wax spray as well. I still have a few pairs of gloves. I still have all of my eyebrow sticks because I do not wax my eyebrows, but I do wax other people's. And a few of the regular size sticks. Now let's get into the GiGi Brazilian waxing kit. Right off the bat, I noticed that you don't get as many products as you do with the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit, so that is something to note depending on how much you feel that you need. First things first, you're going to get your pre-epilation oil, and that is a 2 ounce bottle. Next, you're going to get your post-wax cooling gel, which is also a 2 ounce bottle. Next, you're going to get 30 applicators, 10 small ones for eyebrow areas, 10 medium ones for lip and chin like bikini areas, and 10 large ones for the larger areas. And now for my favorite part, the wax, you're going to get a full 14 ounce jar of Brazilian body hard wax. You're also going to get 1 paper ring to go around the wax to catch any drips. And here is the wax warmer that comes with the kit. And of course you're going to get your guide and all your instructions to the wax warmer. So this is everything that you get with your GiGi Brazilian wax kit. Next we're going to be comparing the wax warmers side by side. So with the GiGi wax warmer, as you can see, you have the off indicator on the far left side. On the far right side, you have low, medium, and high temperature indicators, and you have this little slider to go between the temperatures. I'm going to slide it all the way to high so you guys can see that, and that green light is on, but you can't really see it. And with the Tress Wellness warmer, you have this little bitty indicator light on the far left side. It is off right now, but once you turn that knob and turn it on, it comes on. And if you turn it all the way up, you can see that the temperature goes to 257 degrees. And once you leave that, you can see on the display that it is heating up very quickly, which y'all know that I love from my previous video. Next, we're going to compare the inside of the wax warmer. I'm not a big fan of the top of the GiGi wax warmer because it falls off really easily. It doesn't quite stay on by itself. I like that the Tress Wellness one has kind of like a little grip on the top and it stays on even if you don't grab it off, so I really like that. GiGi's wax is going to come in its own tin, a 14-ounce tin, whereas Tress Wellness's wax comes in a bag, and the actual wax kit comes with a removable can that you can clean your wax out of. So that is going to be the difference. As you can see, the Tress Wellness can is a little bit larger in size and width, whereas the GiGi wax can is a little bit smaller. Next, we're going to be comparing how long it takes for these wax warmers to warm up the wax. Now, keep in mind that, like I said, GiGi's wax comes in a 14-ounce tin, so that is 14 ounces of wax that's going to have to warm up. I'm only going to be using one bag of wax beads because that's all I use at a time. So that is something to consider depending on the amount of wax you're going to be using, how long it's going to take to warm that up. So keep in mind, there's going to be more wax in the GiGi wax kit, but I wanted to test how long it's going to take to warm these up. After almost 11 minutes, a 3.5-ounce bag of hard beads is almost ready to go, and the GiGi wax is still pretty solid. A little over 13.5 minutes, and that whole bag of Tress Wellness hard beads is completely melted. And the GiGi hard wax is warming up. We got a little bit of movement, and keep in mind that's 14 ounces of wax. A little bit over 35 minutes, and this is where we're at. It took about an hour to melt the whole thing, but I will say the next time I warmed it up, it did melt much faster. Now I'm going to wax my mom's arms, and I'm going to see if she notices a difference in the waxing experience. On her right arm, which is the left arm on camera, I'm going to be using the GiGi waxing kit. First things first, I'm going to go in with that pre-wax epilation oil. I thought it was really cool that they use the oil for pre-waxing. I've never seen that before. It's usually used in post-waxing to remove any leftover wax. And next I'm just going to go in and start waxing. Y'all do not judge me. I am at the most awkward angle trying to get the lights in there and the camera so y'all can see. So I am doing the best I can. Do not judge my technique. We got the job done. I noticed that the GiGi hard wax was a little bit more liquidy compared to other hard waxes that I've tried, so it was a little hard to maneuver when placing the wax down, but it did grip the hair very well and ripped it out just like it needed to do. I don't know if that was with the help of the epilation oil or the wax itself, but either way, it was awesome. My mom also commented that whenever I ripped the wax strip up on the GiGi arm, it didn't hurt as much as normal, and also it didn't hurt as much as the Tress Wellness arm. Now that we're done with this arm, I'm going to go in with the post-wax cooling gel, and my mom mentioned that her arm didn't tingle or burn that much, but the cooling gel definitely helped. Next, I'm going to be using the Tress Wellness waxing kit on her left arm, which is the right arm on camera. I'm going to take that pre-wax spray and get her arm prepped and ready to wax. So this is the kind of texture that I'm used to using for hard wax. It's pretty thick and it just glides on easily. It allows you to get that clean strip, and that is what I'm used to, and that is what I love. In my opinion, this wax is a little bit more beginner friendly just because it's thicker, it's easier to work with, and you don't have to worry about making a big mess if you're going to be waxing yourself. Also, temperature plays a major role in using hard wax or wax period. If your hard wax is very liquidy, it is probably very hot, so do not put that on yourself. Let it cool down a little bit to where it thickens up. My mom mentioned that on the Tress Wellness side, it did tingle a little bit more as I ripped up those wax strips as compared to the GiGi side. As I said before, I'm not a fan of putting oil on newly opened sensitive pores, so I'm going to go back in with that pre-wax spray and wipe her arm down to finish up this wax. And here are her finished arms. They are both very smooth and she is very happy. So my final thoughts after trying out both of these waxing kits. First of all, I loved both of the kits. They are amazing. They're really good quality. They come with some amazing products. They're both pretty much beginner friendly, but also if you're a pro, they're good to have around the house for personal use. The price points right now when I'm making this video, the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit is $44.99 on Amazon, and the GiGi Brazilian Waxing Kit is $42.95 on Amazon, so those price points are pretty much right next to each other. So that's something to think about when you are thinking about which waxing kit you're going to get. With the GiGi hard waxing kit, I really enjoyed trying out their hard wax for the first time. It was a little bit more liquidy than I'm used to with the hard wax, but once I got in there and got used to using it, it did its job. My mom thought that she liked the GiGi hard wax better because it was gentle on her arm. It didn't sting as much. We both really liked the post-wax cooling gel. That was awesome. Like Like I've said before, I don't like using oil on the skin after freshly waxed skin because those pores are sensitive, they're open, and depending on your skin, you may break out, it may irritate those pores. So I really like the post-wax cooling gel experience. With the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit, y'all know I love my Tress Wellness Wax Warmer. That LED display is amazing, and it's super important to me because I know when I first started waxing, I used to burn myself a lot because I couldn't tell the temperature. So that's something to consider if you are a beginner, being able to see that temperature and control it by just 1 degree if you need to. I love the hard waxing beads, those thick hard wax beads that you can get that good strip, lay it down and rip that hair off. I love that so much. Also, just the whole complete kit, that is perfect for beginners, so that's something to consider if you are starting out. I love my Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit, y'all know I do, but I also did enjoy the experience with the GiGi, so definitely check those out on Amazon. They are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave y'all some information, some things to try out, some things to think about. Y'all don't forget to like this video because it really helps the channel out. We can spread the information and other people can check it out because I know we're all looking for this. At some point you just get tired of paying so much money and you want to do it yourself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.